Welcome to the delicious world of Chick-fil-A, where a secret recipe and a commitment to quality have made it America's favorite fast food destination. Picture this, a Chick-fil-A anywhere in the United States, and you're bound to witness a line of eager customers patiently waiting to savor the iconic Chick-fil-A chicken sandwich. Today, Chick-fil-A proudly holds the title of the third largest U.S. restaurant chain by domestic sales, with a remarkable 20% growth so far this year. But how did this Atlanta-based fast food gem carve its way into the hearts and appetites of millions? Chick-fil-A's success story begins with a unique business approach rooted in a secret recipe. Restaurateur Truett Cathy, after experimenting with hundreds of methods, perfected a quicker way to cook boneless chicken using a pressure cooker and peanut oil. This closely guarded recipe, locked away in a vault, remains a mystery even to Chick-fil-A employees. The star of Chick-fil-A's menu is the original chicken sandwich, virtually unchanged since 1967. A breaded breast of chicken, 2 pickles, all nestled between a buttered, toasted bun. Chick-fil-A's commitment to simplicity and consistency in its menu has set it apart in an industry where variety often takes center stage. Unlike other fast food chains that expand their menu offerings over time, Chick-fil-A has stayed true to its roots, maintaining a focused menu centered around chicken sandwiches. This dedication to simplicity allows customers to easily decipher their cravings and contributes to Chick-fil-A's exceptional customer satisfaction ratings. The company's emphasis on high-quality products extends to its innovative practices, like upstream ordering. Associates take customers' orders while they wait in line, ensuring a seamless and personalized experience, a practice that proved crucial during the pandemic. Chick-fil-A's franchise model also sets it apart. The company owns and builds every location, handpicking operators through a rigorous interview process, often likened to getting into Harvard MBA. The franchise fee for operators is a modest $10,000, significantly lower than other fast food giants. This hands-on approach, combined with a unique selection process, has contributed to Chick-fil-A's restaurant success, with each location outperforming competitors in terms of revenue. Chick-fil-A continues to grow, opening around 100 stores annually, not just in the US, but also expanding internationally. The company's values, rooted in founder Truett Cathy's Christian faith, are reflected in its day-to-day operations. Chick-fil-A remains closed on Sundays, a testament to the importance of rest and reflection. Employees are encouraged to greet customers warmly with a smile, embodying the company's commitment to positive interactions. Chick-fil-A's values have occasionally attracted attention, especially regarding charitable donations. The company's foundation has refocused its giving on homelessness, hunger, and education, aiming to make a positive impact on society. As you bite into a Chick-fil-A chicken sandwich, you're not just indulging in a culinary delight, you're experiencing a slice of a company that values simplicity, quality, and a higher purpose. Chick-fil-A, where every sandwich comes with a side of values and a whole lot of flavor. Foundation and values. Chick-fil-A's commitment to its values is deeply rooted in its founder Truett Cathy's Christian beliefs. The company's corporate purpose, displayed prominently at its headquarters, is to glorify God by being a faithful steward of all that is entrusted to us, and to have a positive influence on all who come in contact with Chick-fil-A. The decision to stay closed on Sundays is a reflection of Truett Cathy's commitment to providing employees a day for rest, worship, and family. Charitable giving and controversies. Chick-fil-A's charitable arm, the Chick-fil-A Foundation, has been involved in various philanthropic efforts. In recent years, the foundation has focused on addressing homelessness, hunger, and education. The company has, at times, faced controversies due to its charitable donations to organizations that some perceive as holding anti-LGBTQ+ views. Chick-fil-A has sought to clarify its commitment to inclusion and has shifted its focus in response to public discussions. Menu innovations. While Chick-fil-A is known for its classic chicken sandwich, the menu has seen some innovations over the years. The addition of grilled chicken options, salads, and breakfast items has broadened the offerings while maintaining a focus on quality. Limited-time menu items and promotions, such as seasonal milkshakes and spicy chicken options, keep customers excited about trying something new. Digital presence. Chick-fil-A has embraced technology to enhance customer experience. The Chick-fil-A One app allows customers to place mobile orders, earn rewards, and enjoy personalized offers. The company has also explored delivery partnerships with third-party services to reach a broader audience. Sustainability efforts. Chick-fil-A has taken steps towards sustainability by announcing plans to eliminate polystyrene foam packaging in 2021. The company is working towards using environmentally friendly packaging materials. Efforts have been made to source responsibly raised and antibiotic-free chicken, aligning with consumer preferences for sustainable and ethical food sourcing. International expansion. While Chick-fil-A has traditionally been more concentrated in the United States, the company has expressed interest in international expansion. It has opened locations in Canada, and the company continues to explore opportunities in other countries. Thank you for watching.